Good morning. I'm not mic'd up and I don't have my stabilizer on, so I hope this isn't dizzy. I wasn't expecting this, but I got my new tires yesterday and I only had like 8 days left of footage and stuff and shopping trips, yada yada, to go before I left for my big road trip. So I thought I'd venture out a little bit today, maybe go to a special place. However, Apple Maps and traffic had other plans. So I am here at the Delaware Welcome Center. It was definitely a detour around a major traffic jam. So I'm not really sure where I'm going. I just know that I'm in Delaware and I was on my way to Pennsylvania and one thing led to another. And alas, here I am. So I'm gonna go in, get an Americano and look at a map, and I'll see you guys when I get to wherever it is I end up going. Of course this is happening to me. And of course the restroom is closed. So now I have to go find another one. Wow, this is not what I expected this morning. Well, I've been at this traffic light forever, so I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone here. I have somehow managed to find somewhere I've never been after a series of loopholes. I definitely did this today because it was the only day this week. It was not supposed to rain. Of course, it poured rain for the last hour. I'm officially 4 hours from home. And like I said, I think I mentioned it. I finally found a new place to go. I'm gonna go to a couple new antique malls. Now, if I did my calculations right, I don't have my calendar on me, but this is posting on the 12th. I'm about 3 weeks behind. Oh my gosh, this light. It only lets like 2 cars go at a time and it takes 5 minutes to get through. This is insane. So this is gonna be posting on the 12th, if I'm not mistaken, which means this is my last day to fill my slot for my Whatnot sale, which is happening on May 12th. If this is wrong information, I apologize. Other than that, what's exciting is anything after today's video is going with me on the road, and it's gonna be on my next Whatnot sale, which is gonna be live from Tennessee on May 17th. So big day today, definitely more adventure than anticipated. At least it's only like 10:40 in the morning. I have been up and at 'em. All right, I think I'm finally gonna make it this time. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Whoa! And now, somehow, it all seems worth it. This looks awesome. This is not where I was supposed to be or where I intended to be, but it looks like exactly where I need to be. Whoa, I like the look of this. Yes, I do indeed. Oh my gosh, and the music is awesome. Dude, I need this sign in my life. Honestly, $4.25 seems worth every penny, and you know how cheap I am. That's amazing. There is what I would like to say a lot going on in here. What is that? Pink, green, yellow thing. Oh my gosh. You know, I'm supposed to be shopping for resale, but alas, we're making a pit stop for myself first. All right, so I got the beaded bracelet for myself because I had to. Look at this. Made in the Italy. All right, so 29. Yeah, I'm not sure what the prices are gonna be like. I've never been over here. Oh my gosh, look at this hair fan. That is fantastic. 50% off, except previously discounted or firm. So that's $8. That's quite fantastic. Yeah, I feel like green is something I don't usually see, honestly. I think I'm gonna hold on to this. And here's one of these, oh, this is an awesome set. 18 World's Fair Salt and Pepper Shakers, $9. That's really inexpensive for this set. Am I wrong to think, oh my gosh, look at this. Hold on, I'm putting this back, sorry. Look at that. That's amazing. Now, there are a few things that I've passed up in that booth, especially that I really liked. However, I saw the price tags on them and some of it was definitely marked up to give the discount. Let's see what's going on down here. Lots of glass happening for sure. I'm gonna try and only pick up, I say try, I use that word lightly, very unique items that I've never had before, especially because I really want this stuff to sell quickly since it is coming on the road with me. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess this day isn't, but if it doesn't sell, then it comes on the road with me. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, look at this place. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I got lost. Somebody made a comment the other day about how many times they say, oh my gosh, in a video. But sometimes it's a really oh my gosh moment. All right, let's see, 10% off. I love that yellow color, but that's a little too high for me. For resale, that is. I see toys, little walkers. I think Susie Walker. Look at that weird bank up there. It's two-faced. That's epic. $42 and 30%. Okay, so the prices might be a little higher than I would like so far. However, I'm only like a couple booths deep. So who knows, you know, sometimes the ones that I love this set. That's so much fun. I had them with the glasses in it. You know, sometimes at an antique mall, the ones that are closest in can be a little bit more pricey because they've been there forever. And, you know how it is sometimes. All right, nothing down here. This is what we like to see. Look at this daisy tray. I would get that for my house. It's a little bit too large for me to pick up today, at least, for resale purposes. These are really fantastic. Roseville, these are probably reproduction. Wow, this is fantastic. I've never seen this color. It's really cool. And I love drip glaze. This is a really cool color combo. Again, at $12, it's about retail. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this booth. All right, let's see if we see anything sticking out. I don't pick up the metal stuff because of the nickel. I've done it a couple times. Oh my gosh, that scared me. That's nice. Brooches. So far, nothing that stands out, but I have a good feeling of, oh my gosh, look at this. This looks German. It is. That is fantastic. Somebody had left a little candy wrapper. I think I'll leave it back. Little gift. For $7, I feel like I should get that. Oh, look. Cat playing violin. I'm gonna get this. So 10% over $10. So this is $6. It's got a little chip right on its neck, otherwise I would. You know how I can be so weird sometimes on my first stop of the day about picking up items. Look at this geometric bracelet. That's $15. That's really neat. There was another one in here that caught my attention. It's that one with the stripes. 10% off this booth. Oh, but I don't want to get a key every 30 seconds. That's going to be obnoxious real quick. It's also going to eat up my time. This is only my first stop of the day, and I've been in the car for 4 hours already. I love this little nook, but whatever is happening up here, is that a pitcher? Like a lucite pitcher? That's cool. It must be because there's the ice bucket. Oh my gosh, look at this epic clown. $59. That is so fantastic. I will say the music here is a little aggressive. This thing is wild, isn't it? As is, though. Cats. Look at this. $28 for the pair. Those are neat. Those are made in Italy. I've never seen that before. And I love these little pot holders. They used to sell more for me. Oh my gosh, $18. Uh-oh. I think I might be in expensive territory. Whoa, look at the Halloween. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so funny. But again, at $18. Well, enough said. Poodle, spaghetti poodle with cart, $22. Oh, bummer. Dream Pets, I love this Dream Pets. The one with the surfboard, $10. That's not bad. Look at these. Lady perfume topper. Those are fantastic, aren't they? What's happening in this basket? Peking chicken, made in China. Neat though. Little blow mold bunny. I just had one of those and I got stuck with the chick, honestly. Hobbyist owls. Those look to be newer. Look at these grapes. Wow, those are really cool. 84. I like those colored ones better. Those are neat. I don't think I've seen those either. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so fun. Wow, these are really cigarettes in here. That is so cool. Lucky Strike tin. Oh, wow. Joni Messenger, 45. Oof. Okay, so these are from the 80s, but at least they're from the 80s. Taiwan, yeah, but they're hilarious. Now, what is happening here? 22 Hickory Dickory Dock. Does it work? Let's see, hold on. Unfortunately, it's super broken. I love the graphic on that. I wish its eyes actually moved. If we could see its eyes move like that, yeah, no, it's busted in there. That stinks. That thing's so neat. And over here, this is a very strange, what looks to be hobbyist signed clay art. Yeah, it's a little bit much for me to pay for a hobbyist piece, 25, but it's fun, that's for sure. I like this little nook too. Although I will say a lot has been very much so not priced for resale thus far. What is happening here? Yeah, 18. I don't even want to. These are fun too. Paisley. Very expensive though. Do I even want to know how much this is? The answer is I do. $188. To be honest, if I was buying that for myself, I wouldn't think twice. Look at that. That's amazing. Never seen that size. That is a super rare one, and it's got the rhinestone collar and everything. The original vintage one too. These are probably my favorite style of lamp shades. Oh, there's so much amazingness happening in here. Although I will say I am a bit turned around. I somehow ended up back where I started. I can't really judge how big this place is. Oh, I love this style with the paper dresses, though. I'm scared to look at price tags now. $20, that's actually not bad, especially because they've got 20% off. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend for resale, though. All right, maybe we're getting a little bit warmer. And you know I love the little polka dot aprons. This is a fun glasses set, too, but oof. Oh, my gosh, I have to send this to Kathy and Yvonne. This Napier Rabbit, Kathy has one. They want $150 for that. Good grief. That thing is so amazing, though. This pig is everything. They say too cool, and it is. What is this weird monkey? That is bizarre. Monkey 8-ball, no cue stick. 15% off, over 20. But still, he's kind of fantastic. It's $8. I kind of love that. I think I'm gonna get that. Look at this face picture. These are usually expensive. How much is this one? 17. That's not bad at all. More than I'd like to spend though. And then look at the little birdcage music box, 35. That's a pretty good price for a collector. Well, I have no idea how I spotted this, but acrylic flowers, small, yes. Oh my gosh. Lucite daisies, or flowers I should say, $10 sold. People always are looking for these. They're super hard to find, and when you do find them, they're usually expensive. These are acrylic. They're so neat. And I love everything that's happening in this case too. Let's see, discount, 15% off. The lady on the shell, that's a really good price. These are cute too, but too high for resale for sure. Whoa. Vintage clothing. This dress in particular caught my attention. It's kind of ugly. I like it. It's like ugly, but not ugly. 85. Oof. Watermelon planter. Made in China. Dang. Ooh, that's pretty too. And of course, I looped back around to see the cats but they're at 46. Some really unique stuff in this case. Well, I spent $39 in there, 12 of which was for myself. I just couldn't resist that beaded bracelet. I felt like there was going to be a time when I needed that. I'm not sure when that time is. I really need to stop spending so much money on myself, especially because I'm going across the country for 6 weeks. How many times am I going to tell you guys that? I don't know, because I'm so excited. I'm probably going to keep telling you. So there's another place about a half mile up, and then there's a place about 20 minutes away. I'll see you guys when I get to my next stop.